Hello everyone, and welcome back to OnSalus Health. In this new video, we will be discussing 5 of the best home remedies to help treat, oil or grease burns. Boiling oil can in fact prove to be very dangerous. Oil burns or grease burns can be very painful and take a while to heal, even if the burn is small. Not only this, but oil burns can scar if not treated properly. This is why we want to offer you some of the best natural home remedies for burns. Cold water and ice with salt. The most logical thing you can do to treat a burn is with cold water. The colder the water, the better. And although it sounds a bit silly to apply salt onto a burn, since it can make a burn sting more, salt can help kill germs and bacteria that can cause various diseases and/or spread infection. Aloe vera. Apply a freshly cut aloe vera leaf onto your burn. Aloe vera is known for having astringent and healing properties, able to heal many kinds of skin problems. Cucumber. Cucumber juice has many beneficial properties which can help to treat burns. Apply a very thin slice of cucumber onto the affected area twice a day to see results. Olive oil. Olive oil is an effective antiseptic that also acts as an agent in soothing and helping the acceleration of wound healing. White toothpaste. If you do not have aloe vera, cucumber or olive oil at home, don't fret. You can opt for toothpaste. Toothpaste helps to refresh and reduce the burning sensation caused by burns. And that's it for our video on how to treat oil burns naturally. If you have any doubts or questions, post them into our comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more.